In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboard in Monday.com. We'll start by logging into your Monday.com account. Dashboards in Monday.com are useful because they bring data from one or multiple boards into a single view, making it much easier to track projects, sales performance, workloads, budgets, and key metrics in real time. Before you begin, make sure the boards you want to work with already contain data, since your dashboard widgets will rely on that information. Once you're inside your account, click the plus icon to add something new, then choose Dashboard. This creates a dedicated space where you can organize and visualize your data. Next, rename your dashboard. In this example, we'll call it Executive Dashboard. Giving it a clear name helps keep your workspace organized, especially if you plan to create several dashboards for different teams or purposes. After that, click Create Dashboard. Now it's time to connect boards. This step is important because it defines which data sources your dashboard will pull from. Select the relevant boards for this example: Deals, Sales Pipeline, Contacts, Enterprise Sales Pipeline, and New Leads Pipeline. Connecting multiple boards allows you to see a broader picture without switching back and forth between separate areas. Once you've selected them, click Done. Next, begin adding widgets to make the dashboard more useful and visually informative. Add a chart widget, then choose Chart. Rename it to Revenue Chart. A chart widget is great for spotting trends and comparing performance at a glance, which is especially helpful for revenue-focused dashboards. After that, add another widget and select Numbers. Rename your number widget, then choose what type of information it should display. Number widgets are ideal when you want to highlight a single key metric like totals, averages, or counts in a very clear format. Now add another widget and choose Battery. This widget is useful for showing progress toward a goal or target in a simple visual way. Then add your last widget and choose Activity Analytics. This feature helps you monitor team or board activity by showing how work is moving over time, giving you better visibility into engagement and productivity. To make the dashboard even more focused, add a filter. You can choose which board the filter should apply to, and in this example, select all boards. Then choose the stage field and set it to 1 or closed 1. This filter ensures the dashboard only displays the data you want to analyze, which is especially useful when you need a cleaner view for reporting or decision-making. Finally, click Save Filters. And that's how to customize your dashboard in Monday.com, from creating it and connecting boards to adding widgets and applying filters for more precise insights. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.